Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square subscriptions and invoices for mobile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Square subscriptions and invoices for mobile, start by opening the Square app on your mobile device. Log into your Square account using your credentials. From the home screen, navigate to the Invoices tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Invoices section, tap on Create Invoice to begin the process. Fill in the customer's information, including their name and email address. Next, add the subscription items you want to include in the invoice. To do this, tap on Add Line Item and select the service or product from your inventory. Enter the price and specify the quantity for each item. If your subscription has a recurring billing cycle, look for the recurring option and toggle it on. Choose the frequency for the subscription, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Set the start date for the subscription to determine when the first payment will be processed. You can also add a custom message or terms to the invoice by tapping on Add Note. Once all the details are filled in, review the invoice to. After confirming the details, tap on Send to email the invoice to your customer. Your customer will receive the invoice with options to pay online. To manage subscriptions, return to the home screen and tap on Subscriptions in the main menu. Here, you can view existing subscriptions and make adjustments as needed. If you need to add a new subscription, select Create Subscription. Fill in the required information, like the customer details, and save the subscription, and your customer will be charged according to the outlined schedule. For further adjustments, you can always return to the Subscriptions section to edit or cancel subscriptions. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Square subscriptions and invoices for mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.